your instructor for the sob haircut today. In this video, we will be going over all the steps to create the Von Savvy sob, which is a soft bob. This is a look that's so sought after in the fashion industry. What's great is you're gonna get an inside look on how to do it step by step yourself. This look is so popular due to being chic and editorial, but yet very versatile for everyday wear. It can go from day to night or streetwear to catwalk. In just a few tips and a few minutes, we will be introducing you to the down low and be able to up your hair game. Now, if you want to own it, you have to do it. And there is a difference between technical and practical, and you need a little bit of both. Technical is learning the step by step. Practical is going into actions of those steps. And until you do it, it will not fully be yours to own. So get your doll head out and let's start learning together. Let's get started and cut hair like a boss. I love this part. Once the base and the foundation is established, now it's time to play and have fun. And if you notice, the top of her hair dried as we were doing this video, which happens when we're talking to our clients and we're in salon and behind the chair, you want to make sure to go back through and re-saturate the hair, because as you notice, the top dried, and when hair dries, it shrinks up. When it's wet, it's more consistent with what we've already been doing with the foundation. This is my favorite part. I like putting my own signature, so I'm going from the shortest piece off the top of the foundation that we already built underneath there, and I am texturizing it, and you're noticing I'm going to array around the head each section at a time, so it is an organized way of freestyle hair cutting. You can do a freestyle, but be organized on how free you're doing the style. So now we're going into section 3. If you notice, there's a top strand under there that I started from that length of the hair and kept working my way up, continuing to move my scissors and continuing to move the hair. So I'm traveling. This is traveling from bringing it straight out and flying up through the top. Continue this technique over and over and over and over. And now that was the right side, and I go back into now connecting the right to the front, and now we're pulling the front hair to the back direction, so it does what? When you over direct hair back, it makes it fall longer towards the front. So shortest piece of hair on up to the longest. This allows these long little textured pieces just to kind of whisper over the top of the foundation or the base of the cut. And to me, this is what gives her personality. This is what makes her unique and different. And that's the fun part about bobs. You can put your own little spin. This is just one of 40 different ways I can do a bob. So to me, the foundation of our sob is so not boring. It is exciting, and my thing is do the disciplined, important foundation first, and then you get to play after that. And playing is what we like to do as creatives. As I'm getting onto the back and the front of the left side, I just repeated the exact same thing I did on the right. I arrayed around from the back of the head, so think of the pie again, and I continued to push towards the left, but I did it in a controlled manner with section by section. And you're showing now how it takes and makes and creates this beautiful texture. And when you texturize the hair in any way, when it's heavy on top and you take out weight, when you take out weight, what does taking out weight do? It builds volume. So if you notice, we've got a solid, really clean foundation with a lot of soft texture on the top. I hope you enjoyed learning the step-by-step Von Savvy sob, which is a soft bob. So take your time to duplicate what we've learned in this video onto your doll head. Happy cutting, and I do hope you enjoyed this technique, and I'll see you in the next video.